Now, cells and batteries. A battery consists of electric cells connected together. A cell or a battery is a source of electrical energy. Each cell transforms non-electrical energy into electrical energy. One terminal of a cell is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. Now, a chemical cell transforms chemical energy into electrical energy. This happens because substances inside the cell react with each other. This is a simple non-rechargeable cell containing a zinc rod and a copper rod in dilute sulfuric acid. The zinc rod becomes negatively charged and the copper rod becomes positively charged as a result of the reactions in the cell. Now, examples of batteries are calculators, digital watches, radio and cassette recorders. They are used in cars, hearing aids, torches, toys and many other items. Batteries also vary in size from the tiny batteries used in digital watches to heavy-duty car batteries. Some of the other examples of batteries are devices like remote controls and torches. They are powered by disposable batteries. Mobile phones, handheld video game consoles, digital cameras, and many other devices use rechargeable batteries such as alkaline batteries. Now, it must be noted here that dry cells and most alkaline batteries are examples of primary batteries. The second type is rechargeable and is called a secondary battery. Examples of secondary batteries include nickel cadmium, lead acid, and lithium ion batteries. Another example is that of a solar cell. A solar cell transforms light energy into electrical energy. This happens because atoms in the solar cell release electron as a result of absorbing light. This movement of electron causes one terminal of the cell to become positively charged and the other negatively charged. A solar cell is the building block of a photovoltaic system, which can convert solar or photonic energy to electrical energy. On the other hand, a solar panel is a collection of multiple solar cells designed in a series and parallel connections to produce the desired voltage from the photovoltaic system. Thank you for watching.